In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add admin on Facebook business page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, go to menu, tap at that arrow and switch from your main profile to your page. After that, go to menu again, tap at that gear to open up settings, then page settings, then scroll down until you find page access, and that's where we can add admin on our page. Right here it says people with Facebook access and people with task access. We can add both of these categories, and if we tap at that information icon, we can read what Facebook access and task access actually are. People with Facebook access can switch into the page and manage it directly on Facebook or by using other tools like Facebook Business Suite or Creator Studio. People with task access can switch into the page on Facebook, but they can manage specific tasks using other tools like Meta Business Suite or Creator Studio. And then if we would like to add an admin to our page, we can tap at Add New next to any of these categories, then Next, and then all we have to do is just search for some username you would like to add. Just enter their name, then tap at that user, select what specific permissions you want to give to this account. Let's say I need a content manager for my page, so I can turn on the switcher next to content, and then I'm gonna tap at give access. On the next step, it will ask us to enter our Facebook profile password to confirm that this person should have task access to this page. We can tap at that field, enter our Facebook password, and tap at confirm. And after that, our new admin will be added right here where it says business accounts with access, after they accept a request, obviously. That's how you can easily add an admin on Facebook business page.